Greetings. Thank you for tuning in to Teachers Anonymous, and you are awesome. My name is James Curtis Geis. I've been a teacher for 20 plus years. I've been writing since 2016, and my story is coming from We Lied to Fire a Teacher. And, well, I'm not going to read the title because if I do, it kind of gives away the punchline. So, classes are different, just as energies and smells of homes are different. Some classes are quiet, come in, sit down, and wait for the lesson to start. My Period 6 and Period 8 classes for this 2021-22 school year are large and lively and have 5 to 8 yappers in each class. I wait for the class to settle down before starting. The yappers keep talking as if I'm invisible. Sometimes I start showing a video on the large new board, which are like the giant video screens you see on CNN on election night with the continuous updates. It is March 28th and my patience wears thin as I wait to start class. In a loud voice I say, to those talking in the back of the class, do I need to Will Smith you? The class breaks out in a lively laugh. When the laughing ends, I start class. Boy. Background. On March 27th, the day before, in 2022, during a live television broadcast of the 94th Academy Awards, host Chris Rock's comedic monologue included a joke about Jada Pinkett Smith's shaved head. Rock said, Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2. Can't wait to see it. All right. The audience laughs. Actor husband Will Smith walked up to Chris Rock and slapped him across the face. Audience members assumed it was a planned publicity stunt. It was not. Pinkett Smith has shaved her head since 2021 due to alopecia. So, God bless you. God bless all humans and ETs. Thank you for listening, and all my books are on Amazon.